Hello, welcome to the training videos on index fixing systems, services and products. Have you ever thought about the importance of having optimized shelf space? Today, we'll see how you can increase the profitability of your business through the Index Space Studio service that enables a study to be made of the specific requirements of each of our customers, designing customized planograms for the precise cubic volume of your products, and collaborating on the optimal configuration of our display solutions. Our Index Space Studio helps our customers improve the profitability of their business thanks to the optimum management of wall, gondola and island displays, and in only 4 simple steps. Our team carries out a customized study of each installation based on the type of business and the normal product selection the customer stocks on the shelf, so that we can offer solutions tailored to each customer. We draft a 3D and 2D planogram, detailing in a practical report the cubic volume of the entire product selection and the best arrangement and position for the sale of each of the products. We send our customers the chosen product selection with all the installation materials for the display solutions clearly labelled and ordered, accompanied by all the steps to follow for their correct assembly. Our fitting service takes care of the display installation in accordance with the predefined planogram and also sets up the customized advertising materials to support sales at the POS. Index Space Studio is a comprehensive service that guarantees an increase in profits, modernizing the point of sale, optimizing the arrangement of all packaging, and guaranteeing the installation of all our products. Thanks to the preliminary analysis, a millimeter-precise fit of all products is achieved on the display. Increases the profitability of your business through product optimization. The displays are designed to accommodate all our products in the most efficient way. Packaging designed for easy restocking on the shelf. Easy packaging concept. Modern installations with a stylish look, supported by advertising materials that promote sales. We have different display formats in stock: wall, island and gondola displays, and in different sizes. Have you seen how easy it is to increase your sales thanks to the optimal management of space in your business? If you have enjoyed this content, there are more training sessions on our YouTube channel. See you in the next training video.